must have been really something. Did you already call?
I'm sorry?
Did you already call?
Yeah, I called
Okay.
911.
All right, cool. Okay, I think we got an accident over here. And he left his car. I think he hit this post over here. And the driver is not here. He must have been scared or something and he ran away. So this is a wonder what happened to the driver. That's not gas, is it? That's not gas, right?
I don't know. I'm not really sure. It kind of smells like it.
Well, it's leaking, it's dripping right there. I think that's a transmission or oil something.
Yeah, it's like a few dollar bills and stuff.
Yeah, there's a dollar right there. Hopefully this car is not a stolen. I'll try this thing to get traffic.
I'm gonna move my car like right around
Yeah,
here.
go ahead, man. Hopefully this is not a... It's a Aeris Toyota TRD. So I'm not sure what's wrong with this guy. He has the plate number of A Alpha. I wonder what happened to that guy. So basically he's hit the pole. And the light still. Oh my goodness. He must have been really running pretty fast for him to knock out that pole.
That's what I was telling her. That's
Yeah.
what it is. Sorry?
Oh yeah, they call the cops. Wow, this is a pretty bad. So right now we're waiting for the police officers to come to investigate what happened here. Well, hopefully this car is not stolen.
Yeah, right?
Otherwise, why did it run away?
Yeah. That's why I thought it was this guy. I was just like, it's like, is that your car?
Yeah. I was like, whoa, what happened here?
They must have been drunk or something too.
Dude. So now we're waiting for the police officer to come by. There's a cops right here. It's coming. At least one. They'll be over here all over the place pretty soon. Okay, now we got a police officer. So,
None of us are involved. So this car right here just crashed into the pole and they left.
Oh, they know the driver?
Yeah, so we're just been here making sure nobody crashes into the poles and into this car.
Okay.
Like the rest of us almost
Did you see
did.
any driver at all?
okay. All right.
Did you get the dispatch the plate already?
Did we get the plate or no?
No, they didn't ask.
Okay.
Okay. All right, I gotta go.
Baka magalit yung police.
All right, they're all over the place already. Cops all over the place. Oh, they got the truck already in there. Kausap ko yan eh.